Hello everyone. Today we're introducing an exciting new feature called Camera Perspective. You can access this feature in the Promote section of the Comic Toolset on the left sidebar by selecting Camera Engine. Within this interface, you can drag and rotate the selected panels based on camera positions to create entirely new perspectives. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Adjusting the perspective. A. Subject mode. Rotate from the object's perspective. B. Camera mode. Rotate from the camera's perspective. 2. Selecting the model. Choose the medium ultralight model, which ensures the best balance between quality and generation speed. 3. Wait for generation. Wait briefly as the system processes and generates the image. As an example, we can see a new comic panel created from a back view perspective of 2 passengers. Once you're satisfied with the result, click Select Result to apply it to the comic storyboard. Alternatively, you can also activate this feature via the right-click menu.